Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Hi kids! In this video, we will learn commonly used English sentences.
What is your name?
My name is Clara.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is David.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Olivia.
Where do you live?
I live in Toronto, Canada.
Which animals do you like?
I like koalas, puppies, and rabbits.
Which fruit do you like?
I like mangoes and grapes.
Which color do you like?
I like pink and green.
What food do you like?
I like burgers and noodles.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is dancing.
Do you like helping the poor?
Yes, I love helping the poor.
Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is mathematics.
How many eyes do you have?
I have 2 eyes.
How many noses do you have?
I have 1 nose.
How many ears do you have?
I have 2 ears.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.